Hey everyone, today I'm taking a look at the DJI Spark. It's I guess one of their smaller drones. This is the Fly More combo, so it comes with two battery packs, allowing you to fly more. So let's take a quick look at the box. It's quite a large box. It's inside, there's the drone itself, there's a controller, there's the intelligent flight battery times two, so there's two of them, charger and the charging hub. There's a shoulder bag, and there's actually a box to store the drone, which is cool. Micro USB cable, wish it was USB-C, but obviously not. And then the propellers, and then also some guards to prevent you from cutting your fingers off, I guess. So let's get this plastic off first. That's better. So here we go. It's very well packaged. It's full of foam. This must be... okay. So this looks like the shoulder bag, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool that they give you a bag with it, I guess. It's seems pretty heavy. There might be something inside. Oh, there's already things inside. So, foam, silica gel. This is my favorite. This looks like a bunch of charging equipment. So there's a charging brick. This looks like the those guards to prevent you from hurting yourself. The other guards, so there's four of them. What is this? This must be the controller. Okay, awesome. So this is the controller. Everything is very well packaged. I'll put this aside. Okay, so that is that charging brick, and then it has the Australian adapter because I am in Australia. That's pretty cool. So I'll put the bag over here. So right, this must be the main event. Okay, so that's basically it. There's nothing else in there. There's some important safety information which I will not read. Maybe I'll read later. So I'll put this down. So this is that protective box. So it's just foam actually, so not as protective as I thought it would be. Oh, there's a default Wi-Fi password there. So let's see if I can open this. If it's sealed anywhere. Nope, looks good. Oh, there we go. So this is the white one. They call it Alpine White, which is nice. I think a brighter color is good. It makes it easier for you to see it in the sky. So this is the drone. Has those four fold-up propellers. It's got that camera at the front, and it supports gestures as well. So this is my first time with a drone, so I haven't really played with one before, but we'll get to that. Okay, so I'll put the drone aside, and inside there is a battery. So there it is. This is the battery. Obviously it goes in there. So there's two. Oh, so there's one already there, and a second one as a spare, which is cool. What else is here? This is... oh, this must be the spare replacement blades, which is nice. It's good that they give you two replacement blades. I suspect these might break. And, silica gel. Okay, so I think that's basically it. Let's see what else is here. There is this what looks like a bunch of documentation. So perhaps this will teach you how to fly it. Let's see. Oh my god, I've never seen so much books in my life. I don't think I've read so much of anything ever. So yeah, a whole bunch of safety guidelines, quick start guide, remote controller, charging hub. Oh my goodness. Okay, right. I got some reading to do. So that's it for the unboxing. I'm gonna go play with this and see what we can do.
Okay, so I had a few hours playing with this drone, and I can say that flying it is actually quite easy once you get the hang of it. So definitely use the remote control. It also comes with some really cool gestures, so you can actually launch the drone using gesture mode, so you can actually just launch it from your hand. Once it recognizes your face, you'll be able to also raise your hand and then control it using your palm, like so. It'll try and track it left and right, up and down, and then also try and keep a distance between you and the drone. You can give it a wave like that and it'll actually fly away and go into tracking mode. It also recognizes a come home gesture, so raise your arms like so, and then it'll actually come home. When it's close enough, you can walk up to it, put your palm underneath, and it'll actually land on your hand. Tracking mode is really cool. If you select something on the screen, it will try and keep that in the frame and keep that in the middle. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.